This faceless comedy animation channel is just 1 month old, and it's already monetized. Sounds insane, right? But it's real, and the best part is, the entire process behind this viral success takes less than 2 hours using nothing but AI tools. Today I'll walk you step by step through creating hilarious, high-retention animation videos using AI. We'll use a fun niche as an example, a confused time traveler trying to explain modern technology, like TikTok, smartphones, and dating apps. It's called educational comedy, and people love it because it makes them laugh and learn at the same time. But there's more. Stick around till the end because I'll show you a powerful bonus tool that automatically finds the best performing parts of any viral video, perfect for shaping your titles, thumbnails, and shorts. Plus, I'll give you 3 editing shortcuts that'll cut your workflow time in half. Whether you're a beginner or pro, this will save you hours. Let's dive in and see how you can create one of these videos completely from scratch using just ChatGPT, a couple free tools, and your imagination. Simple answer is humor plus smart work equals viral. This niche is called educational comedy, and it thrives on one magical combo, making people laugh while they learn something surprisingly clever. By using characters like a caveman, alien, or time traveler, you get a funny outsider's view of things we take for granted. These characters point out how ridiculous or overcomplicated modern life can be, which creates viral appeal. Think about it, a caveman confused by dating apps or an alien reacting to YouTube thumbnails. It's dumb, it's brilliant. And people can't stop watching. To start generating video ideas, open ChatGPT and type, "Give me 10 video ideas where a time traveler explains modern-day technology in a funny way." Want better results? Train ChatGPT first. Paste 2-3 scripts from a channel like Primitive. Label them Example 1, Example 2, and then ask, based on these, brainstorm more viral educational comedy scripts using different characters. This gives you hyper-specific audience-tested content angles. For example, prompt, alien discovers online shopping. Result, earthlings summon object with clicks. Object appears next day. Is this teleportation or black magic? This process helps you develop instantly recognizable characters that make your content stand out. You don't need your face or fancy visuals, just a solid voice and great writing. Best part? These videos have insane retention. Why? People want to hear what the character says next. That curiosity is your hook. You now have the perfect niche. Funny, smart, repeatable, and easy to scale across any topic or platform. Here's where the AI magic really begins. We use ChatGPT and a powerful custom prompt attached in the doc below the video to analyze any viral YouTube channel in seconds. Open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, then enter the channel URL you want to study, like Primitive Education, or any successful faceless channel in your niche. ChatGPT will scan video titles, views, and post dates to identify patterns. Next, it suggests which topics perform best, ideal video length and tone, the style of humor or structure, how often to post, even gives 50+ viral video ideas with performance notes. Here's an example result. Topic: Time Traveler explains TikTok. Style: Dumb Genius, 2.5 minutes. Relatable humor. Best timing: post midweek evenings. You now have a blueprint without guessing. You're literally using AI to pull data from proven winners. You don't just get theory, you get real, testable results that you can plug right into your own content plan. And that's how you win faster, by learning from what already works. Now that you know what works, it's time to generate your own viral script fast. Start by heading to the channel you analyzed earlier, like Primitive or any successful niche animation channel. Click on the Videos tab, then sort by most popular. Choose a video with high views, then select Show Transcript. Copy the entire transcript and paste it into ChatGPT. Do this for at least 2 to 3 videos, and label them clearly like, paste the transcript for both script and. Then type your request. Using these examples, create a new script with a similar tone. Topic: Time Traveler explains TikTok. ChatGPT will now write in that exact tone. You'll get something like, back then, man talk with mouth. Now man point at phone, dance, and gain status. This not communication. This digital sorcery. Gold, right? From here, tweak a few punchlines, exaggerate expressions, or add your own inside jokes. The structure is solid. You just need to spice it up to fit your personality. This way, you're never starting from zero. You get a fully customized, hilarious, and brand-consistent script in minutes. Just rinse and repeat with different topics, and you'll have a full content pipeline ready to produce. Forget complex 3D animation. We're going to use ChatGPT with a single reference image to generate consistent 2D illustrations for every scene, fast. Start by going to the Primitive YouTube channel. It's packed with simple, consistent animated stories. Take 3 to 5 screenshots from one of their videos and upload them to ChatGPT. Ask it to analyze the visual style, character proportions, and backgrounds. This gives GPT visual context, so the prompts it generates will match that consistent look. Next, upload a cartoon-style image of your character, like a time traveler or detective. Now give GPT this input. Use this character, attached image, and the style from these Primitive channel screenshots to generate visual scenes for each line of the script. Time traveler discovers Instagram filter. Style: black and white cartoon, minimal, consistent character design. ChatGPT will then generate full scene-by-scene prompts. Paste them into any AI art tool like Canva AI, DALL-E, or Bing Image Creator. Add clear prompt tags like black and white, hand-drawn, simple background, consistent character. Label each output image Scene 1, Scene 2, and so on. If a single scene has multiple actions, split it into two. This keeps visual pacing smooth and adds variety. In minutes, you'll have a fully illustrated storyboard tailored to your script with zero animation skills needed. With visuals ready, it's time to voice your character. ElevenLabs is perfect for this. It's fast, high quality, and free up to 10,000 characters per month. Pick a voice style that's quirky and fits the personality. Confused, deep, curious, etc. Our time traveler should sound puzzled but passionate. Paste your script in chunks. Don't generate all at once. Large blocks can lead to weird pacing. Label each audio file clearly. Scene1.mp3, Scene2.mp3. Pro tip: adjust speed to 0.9 and set the stability slightly lower for a more human feel. Now you've got a full voiceover that's consistent, funny, and professionally delivered. Time to bring it all together. Open CapCut and start a new project in the 16:9 aspect ratio. This is perfect for YouTube videos. Import all your voice clips and images. To keep things smooth, name each file based on the character or line it represents. Trust me, this saves tons of time. Next, drag and drop each image above its matching audio in the timeline. This keeps your visuals and voice perfectly aligned. Want to be super precise? Zoom in on the timeline to see waveforms and adjust with micro accuracy. Now here are your editing power tricks. 1. Scene marker shortcut. Press M while listening to audio to mark where each image should change. Edit faster without guessing. Batch duration tool. Select all image clips, right-click, adjust duration in one go. Instant audio fade. Smooth transitions? Just right-click your voice track and add fade-ins and fade-outs. Quick B-roll overlay. Use a second video track to add zoom-ins, emojis, or reaction clips that emphasize the punchline. Bonus tip: if your video has a voiceover pause, consider using subtle zoom or pan effects to keep visual energy alive. Once done, preview your full edit.
Me come from distant future. Me survive AI war, NFT famine, and OnlyFans rebellion. But nothing prepare me for TikTok. Me first think TikTok name of dragon. Or maybe clock that attack. But no, TikTok is cave and pocket. Cave filled with endless magic boxes. Each box open to new madness. First box, girl do dance, same dance. Next box, man screamin' grocery. Third box, hamster drive car. Fourth box, someone cook egg. Then egg dance too. Me scroll, me no stop. Me forget to eat. Me forget fire. Me forget name.
Install the free Chrome extension Glass. It highlights the most replayed parts of YouTube videos. Use those for hooks, thumbnails, or shortcuts. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment for next breakdown.